So now we have a problem statement, exercise 1.9. A system has two charges, QA 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and QB is equal to minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Located at point, these are the coordinates. Okay. What are the total charge and what is the electric dipole moment of the system? So let's try to solve this problem step by step. So two charges, their magnitude have been given and the distance between these two charged particles is also given. QA and QB. It is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and this one is minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So this configuration is called dipole, where we have two charged particles and their magnitude is same, but the characteristics is exactly opposite to each other. So if this one is positive charged particle, then this one is negative charged particle. Okay, they are located at 0 0 minus 15, 0 0 minus 15, and this one is 0 0 15. So they are on the z-axis. They are located on the z-axis. Okay. And this one is the center, 0 0 0. This one is z-axis, and let's say this one is x-axis, and this one is y-axis. Good. Now what is being asked? What are the total charge of the system? If we are considering this set as a system, then the total charge would be QA plus QB, which comes out to be 0. Which is 0. Okay. This configuration is called dipole, and we have a formula for dipole moment of the system. Dipole moment is represented by P, and the formula of dipole moment is charge the distance between these two charged particles means 2L. If L is 15 centimeters, then 2L is 30 centimeters. So 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 twice of 0.3. 30 centimeter we can write 0.3 meter. So it comes out to be 0.6 or 150. So it means 1.5. 2.5 multiplied by 0.6. So 25 6 ja 150, and decimal we will place at second place of the decimal, into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb meter. Okay, ये बात समझ में आई? Charge and the distance between these two charged particles. अगर ये distance को हम L denote करते हैं, then it comes out to be 2L. इस तरीके से हमने, और एक बार और देख लेते हैं 6, हाँ 150, दो प्लेस पर डेसिमल है, ठीक. So this was all about exercise 1.9. I hope आपको ये explanation अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. हमने दोनों parts हमने ख़त्म कर दिया. ठीक, थैंक यू.